Hi, I'm Sarah Lanier, author of the Adventures of Wyatt and Friends book series. I have here a copy of the latest book in the series, The Adventures of Wyatt and Friends, Jax Learns to Fly, and I'd like to read it to you. So let's get started. The Adventures of Wyatt and Friends. Jax and Wyatt always had so much fun. They played outside where they liked to run. Jax was a bird, but she still couldn't fly. She thought she was ready, but was too afraid to try. Her best friend Wyatt and Rio the horse said, "Don't worry, Jax, we can help you, of course." First, Wyatt lifted Jax way up high, then pushed his friend up with a jolt toward the sky. But that didn't work as Jax quickly tumbled down. "Let's try something else," the bird said with a frown. Oh, he looks hurt. Poor Jax. Next, they thought Rio could give Jax a ride, so they sat Jax upon the big horse's backside. Jax said, "Run, Rio!" Her wings started to spread, but Rio was too bouncy, so Jax fell on her head. Oh no. There she goes. She was feeling quite tired and she wanted to quit, but Wyatt said, "Come on, Jax, I know you could do it." They're being some good friends. So this time, Jax sat atop little Wyatt's head. "Just close your eyes, spread your wings," Wyatt said. Wyatt sat on his motorcycle and then he drove fast. "Are you ready to flap those wings?" Wyatt asked. Jax felt the wind in her feathers, then opened her eyes. She had finally done it. She was soaring the skies. She flew to the left and she flew to the right. She flew through the clouds and she flew past a kite. You see what that says? Believe in yourself. That's right. Wyatt and Rio cheered from down on the ranch. Then Jax landed safely on a nearby tree branch. See? He said, "Thank you for helping me to finally soar." And Wyatt replied, "No problem. That's what friends are for." The end. That was The Adventures of Wyatt and Friends, Jax Learns to Fly. I hope you liked it. Bye.